How is server-side programming used in modern web frameworks? Have you ever wondered how websites handle your requests behind the scenes? Today, we will look at server-side programming and its role in modern web frameworks. This programming is essential for managing the back-end logic of web applications. It allows for dynamic content generation, data processing, user authentication, and interactions with databases. When you visit a website, your browser sends an HTTP request to the server. The server processes this request, interacts with databases or external application programming interfaces, and sends back an HTTP response. This response might include dynamically generated hypertext markup language content, JavaScript object notation data, or other formats based on what the application needs. Modern web frameworks make server-side programming easier with pre-built tools and libraries. They simplify common back-end tasks, so developers do not have to write low-level networking code. For instance, they help manage user sessions and authentication, which are vital for keeping user data secure. These frameworks also provide templating systems. This means developers can create HTML pages by combining data with templates, making it easier to generate content dynamically. Accessing and manipulating databases is also simplified through object relational mapping tools, which help abstract structured query language queries. Additionally, server-side programming allows integration with third-party APIs and services. This could include payment gateways, social media logins, or geolocation services, which enhance the application's capabilities. Another important function is server-side validation of user input. This helps maintain data integrity and security, ensuring that only valid data is processed. Popular server-side web frameworks include Django and Flask for the Python programming language, Express for Node.js, Ruby on Rails for Ruby, and Laravel for PHP. These frameworks come with built-in features like HTTP servers, routing mechanisms, and middleware support. This speeds up development and reduces the need for repetitive code. For example, when a user submits a form on a website, server-side code checks the input for errors, verifies existing data, and processes the information, such as saving it to a database. After that, the server sends back a response, like a confirmation message or an error alert. This keeps the logic and data handling secure on the server side, rather than relying on potentially insecure client-side code. In summary, server-side programming in modern web frameworks simplifies back-end development. It provides reusable components and clear patterns for tasks like creating APIs, interacting with databases, and managing users. This allows developers to focus on building features without getting bogged down by the complexities of server operations.